Welcome back for my more important analysis videos on Tuesday 22nd of August with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Hantec Markets, looking at cable. And what we've seen in cable is this sort of consolidation sideways in the last week or so. Just slightly ticked higher yesterday, but again the dollar has strengthened today and it's pulling back below. I mean, that 29.30 breakdown that we saw having been supported is now resistance, and this is a similar sort of move to what we saw a couple of weeks ago, where you saw the market consolidating sideways and then subsequently broke to the downside. I still think that there is a little bit more corrective move in this chart. Market is a little bit more corrective. It's sort of in this phase that it had back in sort of late May into June, where the market sort of started to engage in a bit of a stepped correction. I think that's what we've got here. And I would still not be surprised to see a sort of little bit of a retreat back towards 27.75. 28.08 is that reaction low that we saw in July. So you argue there's sort of a 30 pip band of support really around there, and the sort of 144-day moving average is starting to catch up, and that has been a basis of resistance. Having been resistance, is now turned supportive. So I think that there is a bit more room for a bit of a retreat, but I think ultimately these little corrections are going to be bought into. Yeah, I'd still say that there is a bit more downside momentum to be seen. And you look at the momentum indicators, RSI below 40, MACD lines falling below negative, stochastics negatively configured. I think it all sort of points towards little near-term pops to the upside being sold into, and you can see that seems to be the case. It's sort of testing that initial support 28.30 today. Break below that, you open that sort of 27.75 to 28.08 support band. So yeah, rallies being sold into. You can tell that on the hourly chart, where 60 seems to be limiting on the RSI. MACD lines crossing lower, beginning to go negative again. So I wish you good luck in your trading on cable, and I'll speak to you later. Thank you.